System. Step 1. Download MSVCP140.dll. Show a computer screen with a web browser open. Narration. First, download the MSVCP140.dll file from a reputable source. Make sure the website is trustworthy to avoid downloading malware. Show the process of finding a reputable website and downloading the file. Emphasize the importance of choosing a safe source. Step 2. Copy the DLL file. Show the downloaded file in the Downloads folder. Narration. Once downloaded, locate the MSVCP140.dll file in your Downloads folder. Right-click on the file and select Copy. Step 3. Navigate to System folder. Show the File Explorer opening. Next, navigate to the appropriate system folder based on your system type. For 64-bit systems, show navigating to C Windows, System 32. For 32-bit systems, show navigating to C Windows, SysWow 64. Narration. For 64-bit systems, go to C Windows, System 32. For 32-bit systems, go to C Windows, SysWow 64. Step 4. Paste the DLL file. Show opening the appropriate folder. Narration. Once inside the folder, right-click and select Paste to paste the copied MSVCP140.dll file. Show the file being pasted into the folder. Step 5. Restart your computer. Show closing all applications. Narration. Finally, close all applications and restart your computer to apply the changes. Show the computer restarting. Closing scene. By following these steps, you should be able to replace the MSVCP140.dll file successfully. Thanks for watching. Show a thank you screen with a reminder to like and subscribe for more tutorials.